Hi, I'm Jakub. I'm a concept artist specializing in environments and keyframes. Today I want to show you how with the Out Studios we designed the movie sets for Free Body Problem and how I use Character Creator to save time during production. So, let's get started. Why do filmmakers need concept art in the first place? Short answer is to save money. If you sweat more in pre-production, you will bleed less when shooting. The sets are being physically built, so the team has to know what they are building, how the material samples will look on the elements, and if the camera crew can squeeze in there with all the equipment. Even if the design won't be used at the end or it will be on the screen for 3 seconds, it will definitely help with making the right choices. So what does it look like in practice? For instance, in this set I worked on, I was provided with a simple 3D of the room with all the real-life measurements. There were 3 shots that they wanted to see: the main shot of the room, view from room into the bathroom, and the dead body in the bathtub. For the curtains, walls and floor, I had to use specific materials provided by the client. As for the smaller elements, I used scans of the books and papers I had in my room. But I'm doing sets, so why do I even need the characters? Besides the design of the environment, I have to show the story moments that are happening in the script, like the dead body in the bathroom. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of time to do everything from scratch and model every face and outfit. That's where the character creator comes to play and saves my time, allowing me to focus on the task and iterate on the idea with ease. When I can, I scan the elements that could be helpful with the project, like books, papers, clothes or full characters. So I get dressed with the outfit that resembles the character in the scene, I record myself or take a picture for reconstruction. I use reality capture or reality scan for processing. Both tools are free. There are 5 aspects where I believe Reallusion products are particularly suitable for Previz: headshot, comprehensive contents, fast posing, fast material changing, and AccuRIG for crowd posing. Sometimes I know the actor that will get the role and I can use his face for the character. If I don't have that information, I create a face that roughly resembles the description from the script. Headshot is a great tool for that. I get results that pass in the concept work. With huge arsenal of options, I can refine and tweak single parts of the face. The amount of the morbs can be overwhelming at moments, but it gives a lot of possibilities. To push it even further, I use my scan to get the clothing done. And then I finalize it by refining the rest with planeful of the hair elements and skin imperfections. Like I have mentioned before, I have to show the scene from multiple angles, and my characters have to do different things based on the script and the requirements of the director. Reallusion has a big library of motion captures that help me with that task. I usually duplicate the folder with my characters to have a copy of them for every shot that is needed. With that, I can just copy the motion from our mockup and paste it onto the character, to later find the best fitting pose and create valuable interaction between them. Now let's say I get the feedback from the production that requires me to change the character, add some bruising that they got during the fight, or something like that. I can add that in the character creator and later re-import it into the Blender. Good thing I don't have to move it post-character again. With 2 clicks I can just update the materials on the main model and keep working on the scene. To fill the scene with background characters that don't require anything specific, my go-to are scans, either bought or captured by myself before. Thanks to how intuitive AccuRIG is, I can get them rigged in a few clicks. Also, it works with mockup packs, so I can easily get them posed without the need to do everything by hand. After all that, at the end of the day, I overpaint and color grade the image before delivery. Sometimes the concept is instantly approved, other times the iterations are needed. But by using Blender and Character Creator, I can quickly apply the most difficult and time-consuming changes without any problem and help the team do their best with the show. If you have any questions, feel free to write to me on my ArtStation and I'll try to do my best to help. I hope you like it, and goodbye!